Hi everyone, my name is Komal and welcome back to my channel. I am here with a new video. In today's video, I am gonna make my vision board for this year, that is June 2021 to May 2022. It is never too late to visualize your goals and dreams. Let's get started with today's video. So here I have a piece of a cardboard, and as you can see I have wrapped this paper over this board. I chose dark green color. You can choose as per your preference. For the pictures that I needed, I got them from Pinterest. Pick those photos and quotes which really make you feel something and that desire gets inflamed in you. Okay, and I got them printed. And now the process is very easy. Cut these pictures in whichever shape and size you want and adjust them on your board. There are no terms and rules to create this board. Okay, now you have your own rules to create. You can add pictures, you can add anything you feel to just add on this board. Now I am done with my cutting these pictures. Now I will adjust them according to the size and shapes and where I want it to be. Okay, now I have chosen some parameters here like career, wealth, health, hobbies and holidays for this year. So I will segregate them accordingly. Here I am adjusting some pictures which are not placed yet. Now stick them with glue or double-sided tape as you prefer, as you have arranged them earlier. Okay, I have used here glue. You must be wondering that why am I making this board after completing 5 months of this year already, but the year of an UPSC aspirant starts from June. What this vision board does actually is, as you see this picture, you visualize yourself doing that, and it gives you more drive and motivation and desire to work towards your dreams, your career goals, your fitness goals, your every goal which you have in your life. You know, it is like your own space where you have your dreams, goals to achieve in your that period of life. I may say there are no rules to make any vision board for yourself, but yes, you have to make it with your happy heart. After all, it is your life goals. I am done with my sticking work. Let's have a glance through my board. As you all know, I am preparing for UPSC. It is obvious my destination to be Mussoorie, and I am pretty clear which service I wanted to serve in. This building is Labazna's main head office building, and here is a quote: I can and I will. In this corner, I have my health and fitness goals, that I will eat more clean this year and try and get fit. Next major thing is to meditate consistently for this year and see the results. I am trying to build some good habits this year. I am very much into pampering myself, so just a reminder that I have to do it throughout this year. In this year, I have to improve my communication skills, my decision making abilities and make them best. Okay, this corner is my favorite. I am a mountain person, so it is my plan to take a trek to Himalayas this year for sure. This quote makes me feel to learn something new every day. This is my favorite quote: I am working on myself for myself. And here they comes 50k subscribers this year. On this board, I have some hobbies that I am developing lately, and some pictures are of utmost importance. I hope you like this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.